Thanksgiving is around the corner, but don't worry. This last-minute recipe will definitely be a keeper. Get ready for a turkey that's off the charts. Tired of eating bland, salt and pepper boring turkey recipes? Say goodbye to basic and hello to the spice rub turkey recipe. A symphony of warm spices and a hint of magic. Let's make it Bismillah. Fresh or defrosted turkey. I'm using 10 pounds of Crescent Halal turkey from Costco. This recipe is good for 10 to 12 pounds of turkey. Increase the spices and cooking time according to your turkey size. Remove the neck and giblets from the turkey and set aside. First, I will prepare brine for the turkey. Take 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 whole garlic. Slice the orange and lemon. Remove the garlic cloves and crush the garlic cloves. Set aside. In a large pot or mixing bowl, add half a cup of salt, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and these spices. 4 bay leaves. 10 to 12 cloves. 10 to 12 crushed black pepper. 1 or 2 big cinnamon sticks. 1 star anise. Now add 1 gallon of boiling water. Or you can boil all this for 5 minutes on high heat. Add sliced lemon, oranges, and crushed garlic, and add half a cup of honey or brown sugar. Mix well. And add to a big pot or big plastic bucket where your turkey can properly fit in. Let it sit for half an hour, then add another 1 gallon of water with ice cubes. Now submerge the turkey in this brine. If needed, add a couple of cups of more cold water. Cover and put it in the refrigerator or at a cold temperature for 16 to 24 hours. After 20 hours, I remove the turkey from the brine. Discard the brine. And wash the turkey properly with tap water. This removes excess salt from the outside lot. Drain well and pat very dry. Use paper towels but don't leave any water. After drying, let it sit on the counter for 1 or 2 hours. This step will help the skin to get very crispy during roasting. During this time, prepare the spice rub for the turkey. In a mixing bowl, add these spices: 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of tahin powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, optional, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves powder, 1/2 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Don't add more salt because we already soaked the turkey in salted water. Add 1/3 cup of olive oil or melted butter and mix it very well. Add this spice mixture to the dried turkey and rub it very well even under the skin. Take a few washed, dried, and pricked potatoes and 1 bulb of garlic. Fill the cavity with potatoes and garlic. You can use these potatoes to make mashed potatoes, or just serve extremely soft and creamy sliced roasted potatoes with turkey. Tuck the turkey legs in the skin and tail inverted inside. You don't need to tie it up with twine unless you really want to do that. Tuck in the wings and it's ready to roast. Place a cookie drying rack underneath the turkey to avoid soggy skin at the bottom. Always roast in a big open roasting pan for nice crispy skin. Let it sit on the counter for half an hour. And preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit for conventional roasting. Or if your oven doesn't have that option, use the air fry button or baking. Cover the top with foil to prevent fast browning. Carefully place the turkey in the oven on the bottom rack. Put the timer for 2 hours. While the turkey is baking, prepare the gravy. In a medium pot, add 1 chopped carrot, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 small ginger, sliced, medium-sized onion cut into quarters. Add the turkey neck and giblets. 2 bay leaves. 2 cups of vegetable broth mixed with 2 cups of water. Pinch of salt and pepper. Mix, cover, and cook on low heat for 1 hour or until the meat is tender, and the liquid is reduced in half. I melted half a cup of butter for basting the turkey during roasting. After 1 hour, check the turkey, remove the foil, and brush the turkey with melted butter. Reduce the temperature to 335 Fahrenheit. On the other side where we were making the gravy, strain the turkey neck broth. Mince the cooked garlic, onion, and carrots. Remove the neck meat from the bone. You can add this to gravy or soup or make sandwiches. Believe me, it's very delicious. In the same pot, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook until it starts turning brown. Turn off the stove and carefully add turkey broth. Adjust the salt and pepper if needed. Mix continuously and cook until thickened and it doesn't fall from the spoon easily. Add it to your serving gravy boat. On the other side, there are 15 to 20 minutes left for the turkey to get done. Open the oven, brush the turkey fat from the bottom pan, or just brush it with melted butter. You might need to cover some parts of the turkey with foil, as some parts are getting extra brown. Reduce the temperature to 300 Fahrenheit and cook for the last 15 to 20 minutes. And it's ready, alhamdulillah. Masha Allah, it's looking so delicious and juicy with a crunchy skin. And as you can see, all the skin which was holding the legs is melted away. First, remove all the potatoes and garlic. Set your serving platter ready. Sorry, I forgot to film it. Carefully put the turkey on the platter. Always serve it after at least half an hour of resting after roasting. You can use this roasted garlic and leftover turkey fat in different recipes. Serve and enjoy this juicy, delicious turkey. Trust me, your taste buds, and your guests, will thank you. Please don't forget to like, share as much as you can, and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Thanks for watching.